Okay, here's gonna be a reverse sound video of my mom's car. So I'm in the garage. I'm gonna put it in reverse and then I'll let you hear it. So if you hear it in the garage, it's gonna be very loud. If I put it in drive, it's gonna be really. You can still hear it. We're in the garage. It's kind of loud for some reason. It's louder in the garage. So I'm gonna pull back in. Yeah, it's kind of louder for some reason. Can you put it in reverse again? And then it is very louder in reverse for some reason. Alright. Alright, that's gonna do for me in this video. Thanks for watching.